In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Zoho CRM in just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in to make sure you're equipped to expand your team on Zoho effortlessly. First, we'll start by navigating to Zoho CRM. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM login page. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar interface of Zoho. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to begin the login process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure you're inputting the correct email associated with your Zoho account, and then click the Next button to proceed. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Be careful here, especially if your password is a bit complex. Double check for typos. Once you've entered your password, click Sign In to access your Zoho CRM dashboard. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your control center where you can manage all your CRM activities. To add new users, we need to delve into the settings, so let's navigate to the setup area. Look for a button or icon symbolized by 3 dots, usually in the form of More Options, often located at the upper section or in a menu. Click on it and then scroll down to find Setup and select it. This takes you to the settings page where you can manage and customize various aspects of your CRM. In the settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Ensure that you're on the General tab. This is where you can manage your company's users. Find the Users option and click on it. It will take you to a new section dedicated to handling user accounts. Here, you'll see a button labeled New User. Click on it to start the process of adding a new member to your Zoho account. A form will open up prompting you to enter the details of the new user. Begin by typing in their first and last name. This information is crucial for identifying the user within your CRM environment. Next, input the email address of the new user. This is vital because it serves as their unique identifier and the portal through which they'll access Zoho. After entering the email, you'll need to define the role this user will play within the organization. Zoho allows you to assign specific roles, so choose the one that best fits the responsibilities of the new user. Along with the role, you will also want to set the profile access level. This determines what areas of the CRM the user can interact with. Select the appropriate access level that aligns with their duties and the level of control you wish to grant them. To finalize the process, double check all the information you've entered. Once you're certain everything is correct, simply click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new user to your Zoho CRM. This straightforward process can significantly enhance your team's productivity by ensuring everyone has the necessary access and tools within your Zoho CRM environment. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on adding new users.